Hello everyone, we are going to cook chicken soup today, for which I have taken around 150 to 200 grams of chicken with skin and fat. And for spices, we'll be needing one bay leaf, two cloves, and 5 to 6 peppercorns. I have crushed them both a little, and a cinnamon stick, one cardamom pod, a few fennel seeds, a pinch of carom seeds, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I've taken a little bit of ghee in the cooker. You can add all the spices and fry them a little, and after that we'll be adding chicken pieces. I have added only a little bit of ghee because anyhow our chicken is with fat and skin, so it will render fat while searing it. So once the spices are fried, we'll add the chicken and sear it on both sides. Spices have roasted. Now I'll add chicken and sear it on both the sides. For the pieces which have skin intact, I'll keep them on the skin side down. I've kept it on medium flame or low flame. Then once the chicken is nicely seared on one side, we'll rotate it to other side. Now the chicken seems seared on both the sides. It's seared well. Now we'll be adding one sliced onion, two green chilies, and around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and half an inch of ginger pounded. These two are pounded a little to release the flavor. Now I'll add these four into the chicken and mix it. Don't worry if bottom catches a little, because these onions and garlic and ginger is going to release a little bit of moisture, and all the food that is stuck at the bottom will come off automatically. To help release moisture, I'll add a little bit of salt now. Now onions are caramelized. I'll add a little bit of turmeric. I've taken around two small tomatoes and chopped them into small pieces. I'll add them now. Tomatoes have cooked a little. Now I'll add few vegetables. I've taken few carrot pieces and a few corn and a few peas. I'll add this now. Um, you don't have to fry them much. I'll just keep for 2 minutes and I'll add water and have the entire thing pressure cooked. Now the vegetables have cooked a little. I'm adding water around 2 cups. I've added water and checked the salt. Salt was less. I've added a little. I'll keep the flame on high and have it till high on high till first whistle, and I'll simmer the flame until like 15 minutes, and then I'll allow the pressure to release on its own. Pressure got released. Now what I'll do is I'll remove the chicken pieces from the stock, and I'll shred the meat from the bone. I've separated the meat from the bone and I've shredded it a little. You can shred it as per your preference, and you can throw off these bones and add this shredded meat to the soup. I've taken few coriander leaves. I've chopped them finely, and I'll add this to the soup. Our hearty bowl of chicken soup with vegetables is ready. You can enjoy it.